Dear students, we are going to study basics of AI in this video lecture. Now, what do we mean by basics of AI? So, there are various definitions which are given by various organizations on AI. The very first definition, which is given by the Oxford Dictionary, which saying the AI is a theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognitions, language translation, and decision making. So basically, they are saying that the things which human beings can do, like we have a vision, we can speak, okay, and we can understand, and the most important is the decision making. So this is basically is given by the Oxford Dictionary. Now there is another definition which is given by Niti Aayog. Okay, so Niti Aayog is India's policy think tank. So what they think about this, what according to them, what is the definition of AI? So let's first listen to this.
AI refers to the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making. AI systems continuously improve their performance by learning from data over time.
Okay, so what it's saying is that cognitive tasks, okay, the tasks which are done by human brain, like thinking, perceiving, learning, okay, these are the capabilities of human brain. So AI, which can also improve by learning from the data, like what we learn from experiences or getting more information, we can take better decisions. So this is what they think. If the machine is capable of doing this thing, so we can say that machines are also uh, like can this is the artificial intelligence which can be given to the machine. Okay, now before I move further, I would like you to tell about a course which is on CBSE Class 10 AI board exam full revision. And this is now for the complete revision of this AI course. I have gone through this course material and I have found it's a very comprehensive course. And basically, it is meant for the preparation of board exams. So it has all the material content which is there, and uh, all the topics are there, MCQs based questions are there, specimen questions are there, so and the video lectures are there, so it's a very helpful course. So I would recommend you, if you want to do a comprehensive revision for this board exam, so you should go for this particular course. And I find the price is also quite cheap, so I think going for this course will be really helpful. Okay, students, I think you can see in the description link, and here also I've given the scanner code and the link. So from here also you can directly go and you can purchase the course, and you can get all the content at one place together. So let's move further. The next thing is about, basically we can divide this AI into three basic like domains, not exactly domain, three basically areas, which are AI, ML, and DL. And you can see from this diagram, AI is the broader area. Under this, machine learning is coming, and under this, deep learning is coming. So AI is artificial umbrella. Intelligence is a wide tools are there. Okay, wide varieties of applications are there. Under this machine learning, and under machine learning, there is also a deep learning is there. Now let's understand what is artificial intelligence. So about artificial intelligence, so as we can see, this is a broader term, and where what are the applications where this artificial intelligence are there. So first listen to this.
Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is a broad field of computer science that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. It includes problem solving, decision making, language processing, and more. Example: chatbots, virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa.
Okay, so self-driving cars. Okay, thank you. This thing. So it's a broader, let's say, it's a field of computer science which is basically giving in intelligence to the machines. And here, like, there are different things like language processing, mostly like the way the human being works, so their problem solving abilities and the language processing and visual perception. So this comes under the artificial intelligence, and examples like chatbots, virtual assistants, and self-driving cars. Next is machine learning. So what is exactly machine learning? What do we mean by machine learning?
ML, machine learning. Machine learning, ML, ML is a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Example, spam filters, recommendation systems, Netflix, Amazon.
Okay, machine learning. So here, like human beings learn from data and experiences. So similarly, here we are like we in this particular branch of this area of artificial intelligence, machines are programmed in such a way that with more data, they are capable of taking more better decisions. So and with experience, so on their own they are learning, so more they are getting the data, so more they become experienced, and they can give you better decisions. So spam filters which are there in the emails, and recommendation systems like Netflix, Amazon, and even in YouTube, the type of content which you search. So based on your search patterns, okay, search history, it gives you similar types of content. So the next one is the three main domains of AI. So the three main domains of AI is basically one is the data science. Now, what do we mean by the uh, data science? So this data science, and where do we apply this data science? Where are the applications of this data science? Just listen first.
Data science focuses on analyzing and processing large amounts of data using AI techniques. It helps in extracting insights, making predictions, and automating decision making. Example, fraud detection, recommendation systems, Netflix, Amazon.
Okay, so in this three main domains of AI, the first is the data science. So here, basically, when there's a huge amount of data, and today every single minute, second, that people are generating the data, and this data, using this data, which we can make predictions and we can automate decision making. So basically, fraud detections in banking system, recommendation system. So they use this data science branch to give you better decision making capabilities. Okay, before we move further, I think after machine learning, there's one more which is the main area under machine learning is the deep learning. So what is basically deep learning? First, listen, what is deep learning?
Deep learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to learn from large amounts of data using artificial neural networks. It mimics the way the human brain processes information.
Now, deep learning is slightly different from machine learning in this respect. Most of the technology which is we are applying in machine learning, same is there, but here basically machine uh, here it learns itself from the data rather than like where in machine learning there are algorithms which provide guidance. Here it generates algorithm, get the patterns and information out of the data. So it's a deep learning. So in deep learning, what basically are there? So basically, the two most important are under deep learning are it uses neural network, and it learns from big data. Now, what basically this two uh, areas means?
Uses neural networks, Deep learning models consist of multiple layers of artificial neurons that process data step by step. Learns from big data, it requires large data sets to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions.
Okay, so neural network is basically a complex network of artificial neurons which process the data to provide you the results. So it's you can simply understand in the way like instead of using a single algorithm, you are using multiple algorithms are working together to give you the result. And obviously it learns from big data because it is not meant only for smaller amount of data but huge amount of data which generally from the internet when we are getting. So it can give better predictions. The next two key features of deep learning are automatic feature extraction and it is used in advanced AI applications. So let's understand what these two areas of deep learning means.
Automatic feature extraction, unlike traditional machine learning, deep learning automatically identifies important features from raw data. Used in advanced AI applications, it powers speech recognition, Siri, Alexa, image processing, face recognition, self-driving cars, and chatbots.
Okay, so day by day we are going towards more in deep learning, right? Why? Because we want machines to take decisions on their own. So obviously there we need to so inspire instead of human beings always guiding the machines learning on their own. So this is basically the key feature is there. So automatic feature extractions from the raw data and advanced applications which are there in chatbots, self-driving cars, image processing softwares are under deep learning. So in the three domains, we have already discussed the data science. Now we come to the next domain, which is the computer vision. Now, like a human vision, computer vision means the computers are also given the same type of capabilities which humans can perform with their eyes, right? So, what do we mean by the computer vision, and what are the areas where we apply this computer vision?
Computer vision enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from images or videos. Example, facial recognition, self-driving cars. Medical imaging analysis.
Okay, so basically, like we human beings, when we see something, so here, what machines will see are the images and videos, and from this information, they can process this information and can take decisions and process data like we can do. So here, like their application in facial recognition, self-driving car, medical imaging analysis. Okay, doctors need to see the images and then X-rays, okay, reports, x-ray reports, other ct scan reports, so and from there they take the decision. Now where human decision maybe some error is possible, so there with the help of computer we make this error free decisions. Okay, so next main area of the third domain is the natural language processing. Now what do we mean by natural language processing, or what is NLP? So
Natural language processing, NLP, helps machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. Example, chatbots, voice assistants, Siri. Alexa, language translation, Google Translate.
okay, so it's a huge application. Okay, so there because see, nowadays we using the voice, even we can interact. So we are here uh, wants the computer to interact with us in human languages. Like normally when we normally like when we interact with the people the same way here. So like chatbots are there, voice assistants is the language translation. So with the help of this, now you can go to any country and with the applications, AI applications where language translation is there. So you can translate and you will not have any problem in translating content of one language into another. Okay, so next topic is the AI ethics. So what do we mean by AI ethics? Okay, generally ethics are moral principles. So uh, how come like this? How does this AI principles are there? Ethics are there in for the machines.
AI ethics refers to the moral principles and guidelines that ensure artificial intelligence is developed and used responsibly. It focuses on making AI fair, transparent, and beneficial to society while minimizing risks.
Okay, so before we go to, let me just tell you. See, machines obviously, whatever we say, but there is a human being behind or humans are behind those machines. So what machines are doing, uh, they should be also guided by some moral principles. Okay, so those principles which are decided by the human being, so those which are implemented in machines are known as AI. So AI is developed and used responsibly. So we need to see that its AI is fair, transparent, and beneficial for the society, and at the same time, we have to minimize the risk. Okay, so let's move to the next one. What are the key principles of AI ethics? One is fairness and bias reduction. Second is transparency. Then we have privacy and security. So let's understand each one of them. What do they mean by each of these key principles?
Fairness and bias reduction. AI should not discriminate based on race, gender, or other biases. Transparency. AI decisions should be explainable and understandable. Privacy and security. AI must protect user data and ensure cybersecurity.
Okay, so first, it should not be like biased towards any particular gender, race, or other kind of biases which are there. And obviously, this should be explainable why the result is this result. So there should be a explanation. And obviously, when we are using, people are putting a lot of data in different AI application. So it should be safe and secure. So data can, so their security and privacy of the data can be maintained. Now, okay, two more are there, which are accountability and human-centered AI. So, what do we mean by these two uh, areas?
Accountability, developers should be responsible for AI's actions and impacts. Human-centered AI should benefit humanity without harming jobs or well-being.
Okay, so there should be accountability. Okay, so if AI is doing some actions are done by the AI, so it is the developers should be accountable for those AI actions. Secondly, it should be human centered. Like, see, everything is done because the AI is there, only the human beings are doing this thing. So it's very important that it should be for the benefit of the humanity. It's not like it is doing something which is harming people, their jobs, and their livelihood. So it should be also taken care in the AI principles or ethics. Now, what do we mean by AI bias? Okay, so biases are there. So, but in the context of machines, what do we understand by the uh, bias concept?
Bias means inclination or prejudice for or against one person or group, especially in a way considered to be unfair. AI bias occurs when an artificial intelligence system produces unfair, prejudiced, or inaccurate results due to biased data, flawed algorithms, or human influence.
Okay, so basically, you are doing something against one person or a group of person. based on some kind of prejudice you are having against those persons and group of person. So AI systems can be, this can also be done in AI applications. So which can like influence decisions done, or the applications which are doing this AI, so they can be affected by this thing. So now let's see a few example where this AI biases are there. Facial recognition errors, okay, gender bias in hiring algorithms, loan approval discrimination, healthcare in AI bias, and voice assistant. So these are the five where there is a possibility of the AI biases could be there. And one more, which is the criminal justice and predictive policing. So this is also a very serious area, as you can see, because if here the AI is doing some kind of bias, so it can be very detrimental or harmful for the society. Right. So I think these are the AI bias area. I think you have understood. Now the next is, what is AI access? Okay. So, though there's a lot of talk about the AI related technology, unfortunately, much of the technology is available to us free of cost. But as we go for some kind of customized application, there those applications require to be like you need to pay for this thing. So, what is basically AI access?
AI access refers to the availability and affordability of artificial intelligence technologies for individuals, businesses, and communities. It ensures that AI benefits are inclusive and accessible to all, rather than being limited to certain groups.
Okay, so in the recent times, countries are trying to see that AI is like limited to certain group of peoples and all this, and then there are some like trying to democratize it, giving it to all the peoples so that everybody could have the AI access. So here we come to the end of this particular chapter, and once again I am telling you about this particular course, where after going through this session, if you want to do some questions which are based on the this particular topic, the complete MCQs are there which you can do. Okay, and this all, and the board specimen papers and all the questions which are there from the exam point of view, all are available under this AI board exam full revision. And I am highly recommending you to get this course, so that you have a very good chance of scoring very high marks in your board exam. So all the best to all of you. Okay, and thank you very much. And and we will meet in the next video lecture.